stuck here. The cops won't bother me.
I charged the battery overnight and I don't see the flickering anymore. And I'm starting to think that the flickering was and is because of the battery is in a very low state, or at least it was. So I charged it overnight and now I don't see any more of the flickering, but it's possible that it's going to happen again. So today I just picked up a extra bike. I don't know what the hell is wrong with me. I'm just picking up bikes left and right. Projects. I got a new project, FJR 1300. And one of my questions to you guys is, what bike should I keep? What kind of bike would you keep? An FJR 1300 or an Nc700x? Both I got great deals on, so it's not an issue of the bike that works better, but the FJR, it's got some issues, and one of the big issues is that the battery is dead, which is not bad, but the more expensive one is the fork seal. The left fork seal is actually leaking, so I'll have to replace that. And of course the shaft drive is great on the FJR. The FJR is much more comfortable on the road. It's a much more substantial bike, but man, this NC is nice. It's just kind of cold today to fully enjoy it. God damn, it's freezing. Just 2 days ago it was so nice, and now, ugh. Well, that's incredible, guys. So if your Nc700 is flickering the dash, right, like you're basically almost seems like it's not getting power to the dash and flickering, and the engine light comes on and blinks, I think most likely it's the battery. And I think that's the case with this bike. I charged it overnight, and because I knew that the battery was kind of flat, so I charged it overnight, and now it's not doing anything. The engine light is fine, the speed is fine, it's not flickering. So it turns out I got a very good deal on this bike based on a bad battery. So I did read overnight about the battery, that this could be one of the symptoms, and I was hoping that was that, because otherwise it might be some larger issue with the wiring. And that this was a common issue with the Nc700s, because there's like the ECU module, and when you have the ECU, it tends to screw up the readings, because I guess whatever, some computer crap that I don't understand. So make sure that you get that taken care of. That's the battery issue. Alright, squids, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Yeah, squids, I really appreciate you guys watching the video, and if you guys have any questions, be sure to post in the comments below. And if you have any idea if I should be keeping the FJR, the Nc700, or both, I don't know,